In this video, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube Shorts thumbnails using Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, open Pikzels AI using our affiliate link, go.pikzels.com/dine, and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Chat and choose the prompt option. Now we need a thumbnail prompt, so you can quickly get one from ChatGPT by asking for a dramatic YouTube Shorts thumbnail idea in your niche. Copy that generated prompt and paste it into Pikzels. After that, click Generate, and Pikzels AI will create a vertical thumbnail concept for you in seconds. These thumbnails work great for YouTube Shorts because they are bold, simple, and attention-grabbing. Once the thumbnail is generated, check the score shown on the top left corner. If the score is low, click on it and choose One-Click Fix. Pikzels will automatically improve the composition, text placement, and overall clickability of the design. Usually this gives you a much stronger result without doing any manual editing. If needed, you can also hit redo for more versions until you get one you like. After that, simply download the finished thumbnail and upload it to your short. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.